Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and I'd just like to introduce you to one of the utilities we've created to help users get accurate pricing onto their quotes. In terms of the user experience, it's very simple. Down the bottom of my tools menu here, I've got this pricing module, get prices option. I've also got a maintenance option. We'll get into that in a moment. I just want to show you on a day-to-day basis, all the user has to do is click this option. That's going to go away to the pricing module database, and guess what? Pull us prices across. So £3.41 for our beach wall cabinet and £6,300 for our polished steel toaster. Must be quite a flash toaster. I happen to know that these are on a customer price list because I'm using Abbey Retail, one of our customers that we've got in the pricing module. If I flip that around to use Aspire Technologies, one of my favourite customers, in fact one of my favourite suppliers as well, and do the same again, get prices, this is going to do something slightly different in that it's going to ask me what percentage discount I want to give. Now this has offered me this option because it took the prices from a default price list rather than a price list assigned to the customer. Okay, so let's have a look at that maintenance screen, and there's quite a lot to it. It's a bit scary. The customer did throw quite a number of different scenarios at us, not least of all the number of price lists that they actually have. I've just got two. This is just a test database. I've got my default product price list and one that I created, and I can just see listed all the products that I've got on here. These come from the Sage 200 demo database. This does also integrate with Sage 200, but I'll get into that in another video. Just wanted to show you some of the complexities around. So first off, we have the very customer specific pricing. Second thing that they threw at us was pricing based on the price of copper. A lot of their products are made of metal, so what we're looking at here is a different price based on the copper price in at the London Metal Exchange. I think originally we started at about 10 different bands. I think we're now up to 25 just because the copper price became so erratic over the years. But anyway, you get the gist. If my price is 5,750, it's going to pull 58 pence. If it's 6,150, it's going to pull 62 pence, etc, etc. Finally, we've got power prices, and this again was based on the price of metal as well as the PVC which was used as part of the construction of the particular product and the price per metre of that. Rather than having a price based on the actual product itself, this was based on weight. So what I'm getting at is there's a lot of different scenarios for different products in my range that this is dealing with. To maintain these prices, I've got a number of tools available to me. Firstly, I can simply update things by a percentage or a number of pence. Perhaps it's my entire price list, perhaps it's just my doors, perhaps they need to all be updated by 10%. I just hit update, enter 10%, and that's done. Behind the scenes you will have seen that change. If I want to do it manually, I've also got tools to export the prices. Let's just overwrite that one that I created earlier. So now that I've exported that, I can open it in Excel and then manually change these prices. Save and close, and then I've got this import prices again, depending on the different format of spreadsheet I'm pulling in. That was a product spreadsheet. low prices, you can see those prices, those amendments that I've made are there, and I can just check that, check the format of it, and then import it straight away into the database. And then if I was to go back to my price list, if I was to go back to my document and pull those prices again, it's immediately going to reflect these new prices. Finally, just for this short video, I did say I'd try and keep it short, is where we maintain the different customer price list relationships. That's here, so I've got my customers, Abbey Retail, Better Kitchens, etc, 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 and the price list. As I mentioned, the customer had hundreds of these. They were pretty much customer specific to them. This is just desk data, so all I've got is default. That's a very, very brief introduction. I will leave a link to more information on our website. You can also find our contact details there. If you'd like to know more, then please get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.